when children are born, why are some disabled and some normal?
Disabled? Do you belong to London?
No.
Oh, where do you belong to?
Birmingham.
Huh? Birmingham. There also they speak in a slightly Cockney accent, don't they? Disabled, If I don't follow sometimes, because it was always been difficult for me to follow an accent which is closer to Cockney accent. They highly pronounce certain diphthongs, and others just stop them. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Please, the disabled people are born because of a scientific phenomena, and there are so many reasons that I can't explain them here. As far as the moral question is concerned, I think that would be too far above your head to discuss that question here, please. I don't know what you have in mind, the scientific reason or the moral aspect. That's enough for today. The rest, inshallah, tomorrow.